Hello friends, today we're going to learn some most expected science questions which are always asked in railway exams and other exams. These questions are very important and I just got some few questions. So along with every questions, I will also give you some more information related to this question. So guys, so be attentive and listen to this video, so it will be helpful to you in many exams. So let's begin. So question one. The question one is the most important ore of aluminium is, the answer is the bauxite. So as we know, bauxite is the ore of aluminium, and aluminium which is available in the earth's crust, it's 8%. That is aluminium, which is the third most abundantly available uh, mineral in the earth crust, after silicon and oxygen. So the most important ore of aluminium is bauxite. Question 2 is the gas used in extinguishing fire is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide gas is used to extinguish the fire. Carbon dioxide gas is also known as the greenhouse gas. It is a colorless gas. The sources of this gas is volcanoes, hot springs, and geyser. This is a water soluble gas, and we also find this gas in carbon dioxide. We'll also find in groundwater, lakes, glaciers, sea waters. The carbon dioxide in solid form is also known as a dry ice. Sometimes they may ask you an exam. So, which is a dry ice? That is, dry ice is a carbon dioxide gas. Question 3 is gobar gas contains. So answer is methane. So gobar gas contains methane. So its chemical formula is CH4. So they may be give in option, they may give you CH4 instead of methane. That is, instead of spelling, they may give you the formula. So this methane, it's also known as a marsh gas. So this is a naturally occurring gas, and you may sometime find the question related to methane gas, like which gas is released in a paddy fields. So that is also one more question. So it's the same methane gas which is released from the paddy fields. So now we see question 4, which is the laughing gas. So laughing gas is a nitrous oxide. So it is a well-known question. So nitrous oxide is a laughing gas. So why it is called a laughing gas? Because it's once the person comes in contact with this gas, it's he feels like means it's a condition called euphoria, means he feel very happy and he started laughing, means he cannot able to control his laugh. So that's why this gas is called as a laughing gas. This gas is also has a medication purpose. It's also used as a by anesthesiologists to give anesthesia to the patients. So it's also used for the medication purpose. So the laughing gas is a nitrous oxide. So which of the following used in a pencil? This is question 5. So graphite. So graphite used in a pencil. Now we'll go to question 6. Question 6 is mosquito which spread malaria is. So which malaria is spread by? So it is the female Anopheles mosquito. So female Anopheles mosquito, it spreads malaria. It is a parasitic protozoan. So it is a protozoan which spreads malaria, and the medicine used for this is a chloroquine. Recently, two countries, that is Maldives and Sri Lanka, has been declared as malaria free countries. We are yet to declare as malaria free. So next question, question 7, which is the lightest element? So hydrogen is the lightest element. It also combust. It's also a flammable gas, but it's a lightest element. Then question 8, which is the heaviest element? So heaviest element is a uranium. Uranium is the heaviest element. And one more thing, uranium is a highly radioactive element, and it's used in nuclear power plants and also in the nuclear weapons. So mostly uranium 238 is used in the nuclear power plants and nuclear weapon. That is uranium 238. That's used in power plant, and it's used in power plant and nuclear reactor. nuclear reactor. Power plant, nuclear reactor. In nuclear reactor, we also have a deuterium, that is D2O. Deuterium oxides. It's also used as a pressurized water, that is called heavy water. Heavy water. So they may ask you, where is the heavy water use, that is a deuterium oxide use. So it is also in the nuclear power plants. So we'll see question 9. Question 9 is element common to all acids. So all acids, so hydrogen is the common element to all acids. So we can find hydrogen in many acids, that is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acids. So it's hydrogen which is we find commonly in all acids. Then question 10, we have only mammal that fly. So it is a bat which is the only mammal which fly. So bats are also known as a flying foxes. They use echolocation technique uh, to fly, and they are a nocturnal in nature. That is, nocturnal means they can only fly in means they can only come out to hunt and to have food in night, at the night time. So mammals, like we as a human, we also a mammal, but the bats are the only mammals that can fly. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please do subscribe it and share it. And if you want me to make more videos, please comment in the comment section box. Thank you.